Good morning, students. In this chapter, force and pressure, first of all, we studied about the torque, that is turning force. Then, after torque, we study about moment of force, and moment of force also known as torque. And what is your torque? Torque is equal to product of force and perpendicular distance. And what is the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance is the distance between line of action of force from axis of rotation. For example, this is your door and you apply a force at this point. This is your axis of rotation. This is your force, applied force. What is the line of action of force? This is the line of action of force. What is the perpendicular distance between line of action of force and axis of rotation? To draw a perpendicular, this is your perpendicular distance between line of action of force and axis of rotation. And we solved one numerical problem in previous lecture. Your next numerical is, that is, moment of force of 20 Newton about a point X is 2 Newton meter. 20 Newton, Newton is the unit of force, therefore force is equal to 20 Newton. This is your given quantity. So first of all, what is the given quantity? Number one, force is given, that is 20 Newton. A moment of force of 20 Newton about a point X is 2 Newton meter. 2 Newton meter, this is the unit of torque. It means torque is given. Your torque is equal to 2 Newton meter. To find the term which you have to find, calculate the distance of point of application of force from point X. You have to find distance. You have to find distance. This is your given quantity. Force and torque is the given quantity, and distance you have to find. What is the relation between force, torque and distance? The relation is torque is equal to force into distance, and put the given values. We know moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Given force is equal to 20 Newton, moment of force is equal to 2 Newton meter. Therefore, distance is equal to, this distance is equal to moment of force divided by force. Moment of force divided by force. What is your moment of force? Moment of force is 2 Newton meter. Moment of force is 2 Newton meter. What is the value of force? Your force is 20 Newton. Therefore, force is 20 Newton. Therefore, distance of point of application of force is 0.1 meter. So, this is your numerical problem. Now, next we will discuss about the pressure. What is your pressure? The force acting on a body per unit area is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area, that is, force acting per unit area is pressure, and this force is your perpendicular force. This force is perpendicular force. For example, this is your body, this is your body, and this is the perpendicular force, and this is your area. So, what is the pressure? Pressure is equal to ratio of this force, this applied force, divided by area. This is your area. Pressure is equal to force upon area, and here pressure is inversely proportional to area. If force is constant, if F is constant, if F is constant, in that case pressure is inversely proportional to area. If we decrease the area, there is increase in pressure. If we decrease the area, there is increase in pressure, and if we increase the area, there is decrease in pressure. Now, one example related with relation pressure and area. Tip of pin is very pointed because we decrease the area. In this case, we decrease the area. This is your pin or nail. The tip of nail or pin is very, area of tip of pin is very small, that is area is very small, and due to decrease in area, there is increase in pressure. In this case, there is increase in pressure, and due to this increase in pressure, pin easily insert in the body. This is your relation between pressure and area, and pressure is inversely proportional to area if force is constant. Now, next is unit of pressure. Pressure is force upon area. What is the unit of force? Unit of force is Newton. And what is the unit of area? Unit of area is meter square. This is the unit of area. SI unit of pressure, that is SI unit of force divided by SI unit of area. SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of area is meter square. Therefore, unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, and Newton per meter square also known as Pascal. The unit of pressure is also known as Pascal pa, and 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. This is your important relation. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So, this is your pressure. What is the pressure? Pressure is the force acting on a body per unit area, or pressure is equal to force upon area, and this is the normal force acting on a area. Unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal, and 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Next is, there is numerical. A girl weighs 40 kg is standing on a flat surface. This is your flat surface. The area of each foot, this is your first foot, this is your second foot. Area of each foot is 175 centimeter square, and mass of girl is 40 kg. First, find the force. What is the force? Force is the weight of girl. And what is your weight? Weight is equal to m into g, mass into acceleration due to gravity. That is, in this case, your force is equal to weight of girl, and weight is equal to m into g. Therefore, force is equal to, what is the mass? Mass is 40 kg. Value of g is 10 meter per second. Therefore, force is equal to 400 Newton. This is your force. You have to find pressure. Now, to find the pressure, what is your pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Now, find the area. Area of, this is your surface, this is your 2 feet, and area of 2 feet is equal to 2 into area of first feet, and area of first feet is 175 centimeter square. Now, here unit of force is in SI system, and unit of area is not in SI system, because unit of area in SI system is meter square. Therefore, first of all, convert centimeter square into meter square. Because force in Newton, that is the SI system of unit should be in a same system. Therefore, convert centimeter square into meter square. What is the value of C? Value of C is 10 ki minus 2. What is the value of C square? Value of C square is equal to 10 ki minus 4. So, therefore, area is equal to 2 into 175 into 10 ki minus 4 meter square. In this case, force is 400 Newton, force is 400 Newton, area is equal to 2 into area of 1 foot into converts centimeter square into meter square. The value of C square is equal to 10 ki minus 4 meter square. This is your area. Why we multiply this term with factor 2? Because standing on a surface, and while standing on a surface, the area of 2 foot are included. Therefore, we multiply with 2. This is your value. Now, force is equal to 400 Newton, area is equal to 2 into 175 centimeter square, convert centimeter square into meter square. After calculation, your pressure is 11,428 Newton per meter square, and 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. Therefore, pressure is equal to 11,422 Pascal or Pa. Next numerical, a force of 50 Newton. Again, force is given, force is 50 Newton, and unit is SI system. Newton is SI system. Area is 10 centimeter square. Area is 10 centimeter square. Again, convert this area into meter square. Again, convert this area into meter square. That is value of C square. Value of C square is 10 ki minus 4, because value of C is 10 ki minus 2, and value of C square is equal to 10 ki minus 4 into meter square. 10 ki minus 4. Now, find the pressure. Pressure is force upon area. Therefore, force is 50 Newton, area is 10 centimeter square. Convert 10 centimeter square into meter square, that is 10 ki minus 3 meter square. Pressure is equal to force upon area. So, therefore, force is equal to 50 Newton upon area is 10 ki minus 3 meter square. Therefore, pressure exerted by body is 50,000 Newton meter square or 50,000 Pascal. So, this is your topic, pressure, and we solved some numerical problems. Thank you, students.